Welcome to Data Shark Academy. The cost of storage disk is getting cheaper day by day, but it is still wise to optimize the storage of your data, which will not only save disk space but will also take less network bandwidth when you move data around the nodes. One way to optimize your storage is to use the file format such as ORC, which reduces file size by 30 to 50% compared to a text file. Another way is to enable compression. We have been doing compression ever since computers came into existence. Remember using WinZip or WinRAR tools to compress your Word documents so they can fit on a floppy or a compact disk? Similarly, data can be compressed in Sqoop and Hadoop as well. There are 4 different types of compression codecs that are supported in Sqoop today, which are ZZip, Default, Lezo, and Snappy. In order to compress the imported data, we need to use the directive called compress, and there is an optional directive compression codec which can be used to specify one of the 4 codecs that you want to use in your case. Let's try this in Sqoop CLI and compare the data size with earlier results. So let me bring the CLI. So this will also be a Sqoop import command, and I will use the option file. Table will be employees. Target directory is Sqoop employees compression, and delete if there is anything, and in the end compress. Okay, now let's run this. By default it will take the default compression codec that is set up with the Sqoop. For other codecs you may need to import relevant jar files and install on your environment. So let's try this and see what happens. Okay, so MapReduce job has started. Alright, so now this is finished. As you can see, the data size transfer is quite less than what we used to get before. It was around 44 KB before, now it is about 19 KB. So it's because the data has been compressed and saved into Hadoop. So let's check on the Hadoop side. Alright, and let's compare it with previous results. So as you can see, the data is almost 50% of what we used to get before, and the extension has changed to .zz. Now if you want to look into this data, you won't be able to just cat it because this is compressed and binary data. You first need to uncompress it and then use it. So let's try this in your own terminal, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.